Why are the cells that do intense muscle contraction called fast-twitch muscle fibers? Because they contract very rapidly to be able to perform the work of weightlifting. In order to contract rapidly, a very rapid way of producing ATP must be utilized. Why is this? Because ATP fuels muscle contraction. Both fat and glucose can be metabolized to produce ATP through a process called oxidative phosphorylation. But glucose has an earlier step that fat doesn't have, known as glycolysis. Glycolysis can produce less ATP than oxidative phosphorylation, but glycolysis can produce ATP much more quickly than oxidative phosphorylation. Metabolizing fat through oxidative phosphorylation would take longer to produce ATP for muscle contraction than breaking down glucose in glycolysis. Considering speed is prioritized in fast-twitch muscle cells, glycolysis is the main source of ATP and not oxidative phosphorylation. Considering only glucose can be metabolized in glycolysis, glucose is the primary fuel during muscle contraction, not fat. This explains why muscle cells are loaded up with glycogen, which is stored glucose. However, over months of weight training, percent body fat has been known to decrease, meaning the human body still loses fat as a result of weight training, even if fat is not the primary fuel of weightlifting exercise. Thus, while the act of weightlifting does not burn fat, weight training over months has the potential to decrease the total amount of fat in the body. The physiologic mechanisms behind this loss of percent body fat are described in the video on this channel titled Health Benefits of Resistance Training.